Hi friends, my name is Bhai Patil. Today we are going to discuss on interesting subject derivative and risk management on topic swaps. So let's move to discuss on what are the swaps. A swap is an agreement between two counterparties to exchange two streams of cash flow. The parties swaps the cash flow streams. Purpose is to change the character of an asset or liability without liquidations. Issuer of swap can contract to pay a floating rates and receive a fixed rate or vice versa. Basic kind of swaps. First is interest rate swap and second is a currency swaps. Swaps can be executed. First is in advance of insurance of either fixed rate or variable debt. Second is at any time during the outstanding life of underlying bonds. So here is showing a cash flow stream of A. Here is showing diagram of your an original counterparty and sub counterparty to exchange a cash flow stream of company A or company B. So let's move to discuss type of swaps. Basic rate of swaps. Second is the bond swaps. Next commodity swaps. Next credit default swaps. Next volatility swap. Interest rate swap. Currency swap. And last is the forex swap. So let's move to discuss on interest rate swaps. Interest swaps are basically exchange of interest payment between two counterparties. There are three types of floating rates. First is a floating for fixed, second is a fixed for floating, and third is a floating for floating. Basic swaps. No exchange of principal, coupon flow only. It is an example of company A or company B. Company A giving a fixed rate of interest is 11% and company A's floating rate is LIBOR plus 1% and company B fixed rate is 10% and LIBOR floating rate is LIBOR plus 0.5%. Here are showing a diagram of bank, lender and company B, how the process of exchange rate of interest and swap with another company A or company B. Then so let to discuss on uses of interest swaps. First is a headings and second is a speculations. So let's move to discuss forex swaps. A forex swaps is an agreement to exchange currencies now the prevailing spot rate and also to exchange the currencies back in the futures at the prevailing forward rates. Two type of foreign swaps. First is the current forward and second is the forward. So we discuss first current forward concept. In current Jan 1st first leg a buy $100 at the rate 80 rupees dollar from B. In forward concept April 1st second leg a will sell $100 at the rate rupees 90 dollar to B if a market value of dollar is 85 rupees dollar or 95 rupees dollar. In the concept of forward, the current Jan 1st swap agreement and next is the first leg Jan 15 A will buy $100 at 80 rupees dollar from B and second leg April 1st I will sell $100 at 90 rupees dollar to B. That time market value of dollar of rupees 80 dollar of dollar or 95 rupees dollar. So let's move to discuss currency swaps. Similar to interest rate swaps, but interest payments are in different currencies. Principal amount is also changed at the time of swap and maturity. All cash flow associated with those loans and paid. First is the initial receipt payment of loan principals. Second is the payment receipt of interest in the same currency on the loan. And third is the ultimate returns recovery of the principal at the end of the loan. Here is showing USD loan procedure. Is first showing lender, corporation and swap counterparty. Corporation exchange USD loan with the swap counterparty. So let's move to discuss uses of currency swaps. Avoid changes in exchange rate, and second is currency swaps can be used to exploit inefficiencies in international debts markets. So let's move to discuss interest rate swaps. First is the lucky cements. Company would receive 6 months T-bill or keyboard rates and pay fixed rate of marks up rating between 7.25% to 9.32%. Forex rate swaps. Parco, the largest FX swap in Pakistan for Parco US in 387 million through United Bank Limited. Thank you.